Next is we are going to go for the next one, BJT characteristics. Go to File, New, Project. We'll take it as BJT cap as the name and browse D location. OK. So now we are going to create a blank project. OK. So once we create it, we are going to have your circuit to be simulated. So place, path. So path is I want to have transistor. So I will be having the transistor as Q2 N 2222. So I've got the transistor. Place it. Take the transistor. Place it here. So escape, enter. Next is your resistance. You are going to have your resistance to be present, R. So I will take it as your analog. Place the resistance there. So here I am going to have your collector resistance. Similarly, I need a base resistance there. So once that resistance is over, enter. You are going to place the resistance there. Next is your VDC voltage I need. So this is going to be your VDC voltage. So VDC voltage, place it. So place at this side, and next is place at the input side there. So once you place it, escape, you are going to have your voltage there. After that, what you are going to do is you are going to place the wires. So go to place, wire. Now start connecting it. So you have your resistor other end here, connect it like this. Next is from this voltage to this resistance you connect it. Similarly, your collector resistance to this resistance you connect it. Next is from this resistance to this voltage source you connect it there. Next one is so you connect it here. Next one is from this voltage source you connect it. So once you connect it, escape. So after escape, what you do is you connect your ground connection. So ground connection is, this is your ground. So 0 caps, here in this case, place the ground here. So once you place it, escape. So now you have placed it. Next is you have to go for your probes. So probe is your VCC. Press enter. So if you press enter, I will be getting the probe here. So place the probe here, because the input voltage and this is going to be your output voltage there. So once you place the probe, escape, you are going to have. So now double click it to set the values. So this is nothing but your VCE voltage. So VCE voltage means your collector emitter voltage you are going to have. So OK. Next is, this is going to be your VBE voltage there. VBE voltage. So OK. Next is, this one is going to be your VBB voltage. So double click on that. So here in this case, this is going to be your VBB voltage there. So this is your OK. Next is, this is going to be your VCC voltage. OK. So now I have got all the voltages there. Now the values, your base current is going to be a very small value. Click on that. You have that value to be your 100K. So 100K. So you have the value there. OK. So now you have set it. what you have to do is you have to go for the simulation there. So PSpice, new simulation profile, test, create. So new simulation window will be coming. Now set the conditions there. So here in this case, for the input, you are going to have your VBB voltage there. So here your analysis type, you are going to go for DC sweep. So your primary sweep is going to be, for your input characteristics, it is going to be, you are going to vary your VBB voltage there. Your VBB voltage is going to be here 0. Here it is going to be 5. This is going to be your 0.5 volts there. Next is you are going to go for your secondary sweep. So secondary sweep means you are going to have your output to be constant, that is your VCC voltage is going to be constant. So this is your 0, 15, 5. So this is going to be your OK. So now I have to run the program. So run the program there. So once I run it, I will be getting a simulation window there. So simulation window is going to be, you are going to have your trace here, your plot. Plot is going to be your x-axis, axis settings. So in your axis settings, you are going to go for your axis variable. So you are going to have your input side, that is your VBE voltage. So you are going to have your VBE voltage at the x-axis, and OK, trace, add trace. So VBE versus your IB here. So this is your IB current. So OK. So now you can see that your diode, your base emitter junction conducts at 0.3 volts. So from here your conduction starts. This is your input characteristics there. So for your output characteristics, close this window, again go to PSpice, edit the simulation window. So in your edit simulation window, you are having your primary sweep. So your primary sweep is going to be now output characteristics. So output characteristics means the VCC you should vary. So first should be primary should be VCC. So VCC means it is going to be a 0, 15, this is going to be 1. Next is your secondary sweep. Click here, secondary sweep. So what you are going to keep constant? Your base voltage you are going to keep it constant. So VBB, so this is going to be 0. So here in this case 5, this is 1. So here your primary sweep is 0, 15, 1, and your secondary sweep you have kept as 0, 5, 1. Now OK. So after OK, you run the program. So when you run the program, you are going to get the output there. So your output is going to be here. So in this case, your output is your VCE voltage. So plot, axis settings, your axis variable. So what is axis variable? It is your VCE voltage there. So your VCE voltage, OK. So here OK. Next is your trace, add trace, go for your IC current. So output is your IC versus your VCE. So OK. Now you have got the output characteristics here. So for different values of your IC values, that is your 0, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you are going to have the different characteristics, output characteristics there. Okay, so this is your output characteristics of your BJT common emitter amplifier there.